Losing belly fat requires a combination of strategies, including a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and good sleep. Here's a detailed guide. 1. Optimize your diet. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, chicken, fish, tofu, whole grains, quinoa, oats, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Reduce sugar and processed foods, limit sugary drinks, candies, and refined carbs like white bread and pastries, which can contribute to fat storage around the belly. Control portions, use smaller plates, eat slowly, and pay attention to hunger cues to avoid overeating. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support metabolism and reduce bloating. 2. Exercise regularly. Cardio workouts. Activities like running, cycling, swimming, or brisk walking help burn calories and reduce overall body fat. Strength training. Building muscle through weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, e.g., push-ups, squats, boosts metabolism and promotes fat loss. Core exercises. While they won't burn fat directly, exercises like planks and leg raises can strengthen and tone your abdominal muscles. 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can lead to fat storage in the abdominal area. Practice stress-reducing techniques, yoga meditation, deep breathing exercises, hobbies and relaxation activities. 4. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep is linked to weight gain and increased belly fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establish a consistent bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed and create a calm sleep environment. 5. Avoid excessive alcohol. Alcohol is high in empty calories and can contribute to fat accumulation around the belly. Moderation is key. 6. Stay consistent. Fat loss takes time and requires consistency. Small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle are more effective than extreme diets or intense workout regimens that are hard to maintain.